Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We are live. All right. Right now, NASDAQ pulling back here into the Friday low. So we have Friday low down here, 19,400 right now, sitting there at the 19,426s. We got about 15 minutes here till the market opens. 15 minutes till the market opens, and I don't think we have much in terms of news today. Not much going on with news. So it's a Monday with not a lot of news, not a lot of stuff going on. We got FOMC this week. We got stuff going on this week. So we'll see what happens here today in terms of the market making a move. Right now, sitting there at that pivot point, 19,426. The overnight move getting us down here from the 530 area. 530 was the close on Friday. So the close on Friday is up there in this 520 level. So a bit of a gap, a little bit of a gap to the upside here. Maybe this kind of plays out like a big old massive head and shoulders. We get one more kind of shoulder back up here today. So I would not be changing contracts yet. Right? I don't think so. There's still more volume. Last night there was a lot more volume still on the NASDAQ contracts. Kevin, hey Pat, today I buy your course. Good job. Easy to understand and a lot of good information. Thanks for the support. Love to hear it. Yeah, so it looks like right now there's 56,300 volume on September, and literally it's getting pretty close. So probably tomorrow, probably change over to the new contracts tomorrow. So maybe a little later into the week, but right now the September contracts are still in the lead in terms of the amount of open interest. Yeah, so open interest on the December contracts, only 59,000 volume on the December contracts. So September is the best option right now. Right now, we're looking at barchart.com. Barchart.com shows open interest and all of that stuff. So right now, looking at the September contracts, we're going to keep it that way. And we'll see what happens. It's time to party, baby. We got a sell signal here on the hourly chart, breaking to the downside here, breaking beneath that trend line there. Breaking to the downside there. Oh, God. So yeah, we got Friday low down there. Friday low, kind of a double bottom spot there from Thursday, Friday of last week. Will we get a triple bottom, another bounce off this level here today? We're gonna find out. No rush, no need to do anything crazy right here just yet. No news today. No news. on a Monday. No news Monday. Uh-oh. Rut-row. Yes, Jeffrey, we are not moving over contracts. I made a bet over the weekend. I told me and the CEO of Full Throttle of Fast Track Trading said we would bet ICT $1 million that he would not be able to make 11,000% return. And the funniest is the people commenting saying that his post about making 11,000% return, it was an aspiration. It didn't mean that he actually was going to make 11,000% return. I'm like, oh, well, my aspiration is that I'm going to make $1 billion today. So get ready, everybody. 1 billion. Everybody asking about switching over contracts. We're still trading September contracts. We will not be switching over. Every time there's like rollover, everybody fucking asks this question. But right now there's more volume on September, so no reason to change over. Can you explain when to change over? Once the volume is more. I mean, if you really want to change over, I mean, it's up to you, but it won't be today. I will not be changing over today. Where do you check volume? We just talked about it, guys. We literally just talked about it. Barchart.com. Go to barchart.com, type in the NASDAQ. You can see right now the open interest on the December contracts, 59,326. All right. Does that make sense? Now, if we look at September contracts, the open interest, 199,000. More interest on the September contracts. So that's what we're looking at. What's up, Patrick? Do you follow traders Matt and Nutty Bar Trading? Yeah, bro, they're my number. I watch their videos every day. Every day when I'm done trading, the first thing that I do is go and watch Nutty Bar Trader videos. Gets me excited, gets me pumped up. right now. Looking here, NASDAQ sitting at this pivot point. We got that low from Friday just like sitting down there, that 409. It's kind of like right into here. There's a very good chance that we run that low there. We got about 5 minutes here, 5 minutes till the market opens. 5 minutes. It's time to party, to party, to party, party, party. Nutty bar concepts. Yes. The best of the best, baby. We got the Vwap up there, 19,490. We got the gap, so we're gapping down right now. We got the close from Friday up there at the 530 level. All right, 530 level is the close from Friday, so we obviously have a gap here to the upside. We got that pivot point to the upside, 19,500, and we've got the Friday low down there. So looking to see if we can get that Friday low taken out and then see what happens from there. Anything is possible, baby. Anything. That's right. If you got dreams, you came to the right place. If you got passion, you came to the right place. If you got bills piling up, you came to the right place. Time to make some money. Oh. 3 minutes. 3 minutes till market opens here. 3 minutes. Come sail away with me. Ooh, come sail away, come sail away, come sail away with me. The ES is right next to the VWAP. It's right below the VWAP here on the ES. NASDAQ holding up here as well. So it's time. It's Monday, baby. Mega Money Mondays. Waking up early for you guys. 3:30 here in Hawaii. 3:28 right now. We got 2 minutes till the market opens. You guys are all in the future. So, by 9 a.m. Hawaii time, the market will be almost closed, and I'll find out where the price is. Tell me where the price is. What's the price of the NASDAQ at 9 a.m.? I want to know. We are trading September contracts. September contracts. If that's your question this morning, don't worry about it. Less than a minute here till market opens. Right now, holding up here, pivot point there at the 430 area. 426.50 to be exact. Here we go. Market's open. NASDAQ straight down here. See if we take out that low from Friday there. Already working straight down there. Already working its way down there. Down there to the 19,400 so far. Testing Friday's low. Find some support down there for now. The ES pushed straight up through the VWAP. NASDAQ down here to the 400s. If we're going to take out that 400 flat there, straight down on the NASDAQ here, 390s now. Still dipping. Still dipping. Little dippers. I feel like this is going to be a trap. ES is pushing straight up. NASDAQ's selling straight off here. Looking at the 2-minute chart right now. It says 2 on the chart, guys. If it says 2, that means 2-minute. If it says 15, that means 15-minute. You can see the 15-minute chart right now, down there below the 19,400s. Still selling, still selling. 370s now. Holy God. Holy God. Well, that shorted open would have been the play, I guess. Still dumping. Just straight down here. $340 now.
Got the pivot point down there at the 320s. 320 pivot point down there. Heading down there to that 320 pivot. The ES is down 6 to the 619s through the pivot point on the ES. Need the setups, need our setups here, you know? Just gotta wait for our setups here. Roll over. Someone said there's more volume on the December, but it's still more volume on September. What are you talking about? NASDAQ ripping back up here now. She's a ripper. Is this reversal here off of the pivots now? That 619 area is a key level for the ES, which is holding right now. See if the NASDAQ, if it gets back up there above that 19,400 level, maybe some opportunities for the longs. But right now, just kind of waiting to see how this plays out. Could lose this kind of 50 area and start selling down again. Take out that pivot all the way. So giving it a little bit of time here. We got the 15-minute opening range coming up here in a minute. 2 minutes till the 15-minute close. Just holding up there at the 60s for now. We get this sell through the 50s next. Still just holding up here, 360s. Bulls need to get this back above that 80 level. If they want this to go higher, obviously get this back above the 80s up there through the 400s next. We've got the 15-minute range set now. Your 15-minute opening range right now looking like that 400 breaky coming up. All right, stuck there at the 80s, right below that 400 level now. Start to get a bear flag set up here. Need this candle. Need a candle to close below that trend line to confirm, but the bulls once again in the 80s there. Bulls are still holding on here. The Bulls. Everyone asking about the September contracts. Yes, guys, I am still trading the September contracts. Lordy Lord. Oh, Lord. All right, NASDAQ up there through the 19,400s now. Hello?
Hello, is this Patrick?
Yes.
Hi, Patrick.
We're back. All right, NASDAQ pushing up here. No bear flag yet. Back up there to the pivot, up there to the 400s. Got the Vwap coming up there next. 444, 428. That pivot point right there. So, or 426 is the pivot. Yeah, 426.50 right now. The bulls stepping in here. The ES, the NASDAQ, both pushing up here. The ES is going straight up right now. ES is pushing up there through the opening range, the 15-minute opening range on the ES right now. NASDAQ trying to do the same, it looks like. ES right now breaking straight up. NASDAQ stuck right here at that pivot point. Get through this pivot point, rip up there to the VWAP next. There she goes through the pivot up there towards the VWAP now. She's still going. The ES right now is going straight up. NASDAQ should try to go straight up through the VWAP here now. Coming up with that 15-minute opening range breakout right here as well at the 440s. Right here at the VWAP now for the NASDAQ. Through the pivot point up there to the 15-minute opening range now. We held the Friday low. Remember, well, not Friday low. We broke through Friday low. We got down there to that pivot point, 323, and then ripped it straight back up now. Lordy, lordy. Oh my God. What a beautiful thing. Straight up there. Just went straight up there. Got long for that at the 430 there. Sold in the 460 right through the VWAP now. Gotta love it. No bear flag. No bear flag. Only the bulls. All right, now we're here at the VWAP. Pivot point at the 26s. Can we get a bull flag to get this break all the way through the VWAP next? Check the 4-hour close. Check it, check it. What's it all about? 4-hour there at the 4:30. Saw you at Foodland. Uh-oh. Don't look at me. NASDAQ trying to bull flag here at this 40 level. Trying to bull flag. Did somebody say Top Step's down 3,000 right now? Is that what somebody said in the chat? No way. No way. Someone said they looked at Hawaii and they saw how far it is on the map. NASDAQ trying to push through the VWAP here, baby. Doing exactly what we thought it would do to rip up here now. So, yeah. Looks like Top Step's short here at the 411s. Why would you be short here? No reason to be short here. I'm working on the leaderboard today. Right now, in those Top Step accounts, the XFAs, we're up 7,000. So 2,000, 2,000, 2,400 times 3. We got another account funded. Tomorrow will be funded, and then we're working on some more to get the 5 XFAs. So we're working that way, baby. We're going to get on top of the leaderboard. We're going to get on the leaderboard. You hear me? I'm coming for that leaderboard.
Sometimes I felt like this could.
These guys, what are they doing shorting right here? This is not the time to get short. Don't get short here. I don't know. I might be wrong. Maybe it gets stuck here at the VWAP, but no reason to get short as I feel it. We're trading the September contracts still. NASDAQ stuck there at the VWAP, back down again. Right there at the 15-minute opening range currently. I don't know. Looks bullish. Five-minute chart right there below the VWAP for now. We're just holding up there at the 15-minute opening range. The ES just bounced off the VWAP, pushing straight back up. So Mondays aren't really good for trading. Monday, it depends on the Monday. Today, no news, so don't expect much. NASDAQ again trying to squeeze. She's trying to go up. Trying to go up. I would not want to be short here. Why would anybody want to be short here? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Have mercy on my soul. Why would anybody want to get short here? Don't do it. Don't do it, Billy. It ain't worth it. Market wants to go up. Market wants to go up, boys. Patrick Wieland's letting you know. Patrick Wieland's letting you know. Don't go shorting the bulls. This 15-minute breakout right now happening in real time. This is all Patrick Wieland concepts. It's one of my concepts. I have a concept basically where we buy low and we sell high. It works every time, people. Works every time. I mean, Top Step is short right now, so I feel like that's like also a very good indicator to get long as well, you know. Seeing that the house account is down like $100,000 something in the last couple month or whatever. I don't know. Just putting it out there, you know, the odds are not in their favor. Right now, pushing back up here above the VWAP. Top Step's short from the 411s. They're down 40 points on this now. Quality risk management. Quality. VWAP right there, holding up there. Someone said they can't lose every trade. We're like, well, they can actually. They definitely can. They definitely can do that. Right now, VWAP just holding up there. I feel like there's a launch pad coming. There's going to be Maybe. Both the ES and the NASDAQ right now, bull flagging. Bull flagging here. Someone asked, is it a sell or a buy? Well, best thing to do is buy low, sell high normally. But we're seeing what happens here. Holding up there at that pivot point, 26s. Am I all red right now with the lighting? Oh no, I think it's because of I messed around with my camera yesterday because I was live streaming during the Sunday Open, so the lighting's probably a little off right now. It's all good. If I look red, that's why. It's not because I'm red. It's just because the lighting. NASDAQ sitting up here at the top of the 15-minute range right now. He looks super tan. That was my plan, actually. I was hoping that I could make it look, like I was tan. People always say I look so white on the live stream, so I'm just trying to look a little tanner, trying to break out, People thinking that I look so white, so I look for the tan. She's still pushing. NASDAQ. This wants to go. Break through this 50-60 level and then try to push up there towards that pivot point of the 500s next. 19,500 pivot to the upside. Will it get there? Just kind of waiting here. See how this plays out. Got our 15-minute range. We got our pivot point. We got the Vwap. We got three things going on right here. Three things going on. So close. Anyone looking to watch Gladiator 2? Do you have it? You got the Gladiator 2 on the disc? You got Gladiator 2? You selling Gladiator 2 DVDs in the chat? I'm in. Give me one DVD, please. Remember back in the day, people used to sell the bootlegged movies. That used to be a thing. Like, people used to sell bootleg movies back in the day. I remember. You go to the mall and there's some guy in the corner, over there, like, hey kid, hey, you want to buy a movie? I got everything. I got all the movies, man. The Matrix, I got it all. It's kind of funny when you think about it. The irony, right, of pirating the Matrix. It's kind of funny. You're like, wait, you pirated the Matrix? You know, like the Matrix is like it's everywhere, but you pirated it. You know, like think about it. It's kind of like Inception. You know, it's crazy. Like what? They're pirating. The Matrix is pirating. So it's kind of funny when you think about it. It's the way I look at it, at least. NASDAQ trying to go here. Let's get this push straight up, motherfuckers. Let's blow Top Step out of their shorts and then let them re-enter when we're getting out, you know? Let them get long up at the highs. Come on. That would be the most perfect just like Top Step setup here for us. Get the breakout right here, push up to the 480 area. We take profit, and then they cover their shorts, and then they get long at like 490, 500, and then it pulls back. Like that right there would be just textbook amazing trading. I don't know about you guys. Be absolutely beautiful here. So let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can push up into here. They get stopped out of their shorts, and then right they get stopped out, and then it goes straight down, Lieutenant Dan. You know, come on, it would just be too perfect. It might be too good. Like it might be too perfect. But it's funny because like if it actually plays out, like I predicted it, right? I predicted the move. I predicted it. Up there to the 60s, trying to get through here. Daddy's gonna predict the move. Yes. Yes. Keep it going through the 60s here, boys. I'm currently long, looking for a push up. We got 2 contracts left here. Like I said, breaking through that 50 area. Put our yellow line on the chart. We have the Vwap, everything lining up. Top Step short, so it's like you really know we got Top Step short, we got the Vwap, we got the 15-minute opening range, we got the pivot point. We got so much stuff going on right here. It's literally too good to be true. It's too good to be true. Oh God. Come on, NASDAQ. It's so perfect. Just do it already. Do it. Oh. Now that I got stopped out, now we're going to go higher. Don't worry. Top Step just watching their shorts get squeezed. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Follow me. Follow my XFA account. I will show you how to get rich. I will show you the way, Top Step. How can you know that Top Step is short? Because they have a live stream. They have a live stream where they show it? I don't know. Someone said, if this is a good trade, they'll join my channel membership. Oh, fuck. There's a lot riding on this trade now. It's too much pressure. It's never going to work out, guys. Take it back. Take it back. Now you jinxed us. You just jinxed it. Oh, my God. You jinxed it. Damn it. Too much pressure. Come on. Don't put that much pressure on me. Why you got to put that pressure on me? A channel membership if this trade works out? Dude, come on. Come on. I can't handle this anymore. I'm going back to bed. NASDAQ just stuck here. VWAP. Pivot point. Come on, push this thing just straight up from here. Come on, 480s. 480s. Can you show us where the 15-minute range is when looking for it after 9:45? Sure. Look at the first 15-minute candle at 9:30. Put your line on there. Draw it across. And that's how you find your 15-minute range. Ta-da. Now buy my course, $200. Buy my course, $200. Make you holla. All right, NASDAQ's just stuck right here. No momentum, so it could easily start to reverse back down here. Getting very tight. I have no trade open right now. If it does start reversing here, we'll see what happens right there at that pivot now. This 5-minute chart still kind of holding up here. If they can hold this, you know, kind of hold above this 400 level, then we should be all right for the bulls. But just sitting back, waiting and watching here. See, this will be the fake out here. Like we talked about the other day, I made a video talking about this. So now we're kind of focused on this 15-minute range, the middle of this 15-minute range, right? So we want to see, basically, for the bulls, you want that price action to stay, you know, above that 15-minute opening range, the middle of that. We don't want to get back below, because if we get back below the middle of this 15-minute opening range, there's a very good chance that we then take out that low there again. So as of right now, the bulls stepping up there once again. Five-minute chart looking a little bit better for the bulls if they get this back above the 440s. I guess Top Step X is having some issues, people said on the stream. Anybody having problems with Top Step X right now? I'm using Trade-Evate with Top Step, so I haven't had any issues today. People keep talking about this 4-hour candle. Down there, 19,400 again. Breaking to the downside here. Just not a lot of continuation, though. For now, kind of just chopping around here right above that middle of that 15-minute range there. For now. If we lose this middle of this 15-minute range, there's a very good chance that we would then take out this low down there, the 15-minute low. So I don't even play the ads. Fucking YouTube does the ads. What the fuck's up with the ads, man? God. I literally have the ads set to the lowest possible frequency. And people said they still get a lot. That's so fucked up. It's an ad every 2 minutes, really? No way. Top Step got stopped out of their short. And I think they're long now. Are they long now? Are they short now? Can't tell. They're long now. Top Step's now long from the 380s. You can't make this shit up. Oh man, how do they do that? How do you go, like, honestly, you got to think about it. Like, how do you go from being short right here, right? Like, you're short up here and then you get long right here. I don't get it. That makes no sense to me. Oh. At least we're looking good right now in those XFA accounts. We're up to $8,000 here since last Friday. We made $5,000 there on Friday, a little over $5,000, and then today 2,900, 3 XFAs, and then getting more XFAs funded here. So that's good. Good news for me. Trying to climb. I want to climb that leaderboard, baby. Put me on the leaderboard. Slow and steady. I knew today wasn't going to be a crazy day with the fact that it was a Monday and there wasn't a lot of news today. So we'll see what happens. How many contracts? Just 3 contracts per account. 3 contracts. My personal account, I switched my broker from Tradevate over to Optimus Futures. And I'm not trading the personal account right now while I'm in Hawaii because I just don't have like everything set up the way that I like really want to get crazy with my trading. So right now, kind of still just trading the funded accounts, trading the Apex funded accounts, trading take profit funded accounts, and just kind of focusing on just making some money before really getting too crazy. I think there's obviously a lot of opportunity coming later this year for the markets and everything. So it's kind of what I'm waiting for, I guess. It's a little bit better action in the markets. Both Dakota and Patak are long right now. What are they doing over there? These guys, they can't lose. That's some funny shit, man. I'm not even trying to be a troll. I'm not even trying to be a hater. I'm just laughing about the fact that somehow they had the perfect short entry, right? They were short here perfectly, no problem. Okay, if you're like, they could have held that, sure, for this move down. But then instead of holding this short, they got out of the short and then got long down here at 380. I just don't, it just makes no sense to me. Like I said, if we break below the middle of this 15-minute range, there's a very good, the probability is very high that we now will break the low here. I don't care about the fib level, JT. That it don't matter about no fib level. 15-minute range is king. 15-minute range is the king. Now they're stopped out. Now they're down over 4,000 on the day. Bro, here we go again. Why are you so concerned about their results? I'm not concerned. This is a live stream. This is a show on YouTube where we talk about trading. We do trade, all that stuff. So I think it's good entertainment. I don't know. If we look at what experts are doing, why would experts be long at the 380s? That's what I'm trying to figure out. You know, that's all. I'm not even trying to be a hater. I'm just literally wondering, you know. You used to trade in the pit? You used to trade at the CME? Is this how you traded at the CME group? I don't know. The ES making a break already through the 15-minute opening range, by the way. Anybody see the ES over there? Dumping. ES is straight down now. And there it goes. NASDAQ through the lows. Congratulations. If you watch the video from over the weekend on Saturday, you would have seen this setup right here. Look at how that played out beautifully as well. We had the 15-minute range, just kind of going back over this setup here. We had the 15-minute range, opening range, bang, bang. Kind of find the middle of that opening range there. Once we move back through the middle of that opening range, there's your sell down there through the 300s now. So, whoever laughed at Top Step being short, you got egg on your face. Yes, we laughed at them being short up here and then getting stopped out and then getting long right here. So, yes, we're still laughing at them. Yes, it's still very funny. Like I said, it's hilarious. Do you not like the ES? I have no personal preference against the ES, the NASDAQ. It's just I trade the NASDAQ, you know, personal choice, I guess you can say. Personal choice here. Is this a good spot for a bear flag? Based on statistics, it's a good spot, but also I want to keep in mind that today is Monday, right? It's a Monday with no news. And what do we know about Mondays with no news? Anybody in the chat know anything about Mondays with no news? You know? Well, Mondays with no news, normally very choppy, slow days. So we don't want to get overly greedy on a day like today, knowing that there's a lot of news coming out. There's a lot of stuff happening later on this week. So personally, I will not be putting any more trades on. I'm up over 3,000 in the Top Step accounts, 2,400 in the Apex accounts. So no real reason to do anything here, for me at least. For you guys, hey, if you want to keep trading, you want to keep partying, that's totally fine with me. But right now, the NASDAQ is looking a little heavy here. And for anybody that's gonna sit here and be like, "Oh, Patrick, you should have shorted up here," hey, you know that doesn't really fit into our overall strategy, right? We're momentum traders, so knowing that we had all this stuff going on right here, it's just I'm not gonna ever put a short on this type of setup. That's just because I just can't do it. It goes against my overall style of trading, right? I just can't do it there. If I'm looking to trade the momentum here, well, the momentum would have been on this break back through the 15-minute chart, and then that move right there for the momentum back to the downside. So, but you went long at the bottom earlier. I took a long here earlier, yes, off of the idea of that pivot playing out.
ICT lost on the live stream? No. Did he really? No. No way. Why is everybody losing right now? Oh, you can't rewind his stream either. Damn it. And you can't see the chat.
So it's already going to be opening at a real deep discount price. And then add to it, it opens and sells off. That's the public is telling you. They're chasing. They're going to sell short, sell short. And anything that they see as a reason to get short, they're going to take it. And what do? They lay the bait for them. Dojies. Inside of an inefficiency.
Victoria took another...
No, thank you. Go ahead and take that cheese. Go ahead. Go for it. Because you're going to get the metal behind your neck. And then I'm going to come over here and tell you it's going to go higher. And I think the cheese not going to win. And I run to demonic buy side. In the direction of the halfway point of the opening range gap. That need not be filled or delivered to. Because you have an opportunity to take this trade to the first presented fair value gap. That would be your target. That would have been filled right there. What if that's all you decide to do, Caleb? Is there something wrong with that? No. There's nothing wrong with that. It's actually a low-hanging fruit objective because the draw would be high day, opening price, buy side, lower quadrant of the opening range gap, mid gap. They're all potential areas where your partial can be taken, or any one of them could be your target. So I'm providing you.
Oh, no. Yeah, Victoria made $700 in her funded account today. This girl, she's going to leave me. She's going to leave me. She's got too much money now. She's rich. I guess everybody that said that Victoria was a gold digger, I guess she proved you wrong. All right, so like we said, it's Monday. There's no news. The NASDAQ back up here. So love to see it. Pirate flag. I don't like that the ES is like pushing right back up right now. We'll see.
Dang. Dakota's long again off the 224s.
From last week. First up, Anand.
Patrick, do you know if Fast Track Trader will have Ninja Trader? I do not know exactly what their rollout plan is, but I've heard it's coming. They're working on it. I feel like if they get Tradeovate, they should have Ninja Trader as well. NASDAQ retesting this pivot point down there at the 326 level. Is that where it's at? Where's it at? 323 level right now. Pivot point in play here. I just don't love that it's Monday, if that makes sense. It's kind of funny to say, but I wish it was a different day right now. I've got too much PTSD. Too much PTSD when it comes to those Mondays with no news. I've been chopped up too many times. Hit that chop zone too many times. Is Tradeify related to Apex? I don't think so. ES is moving back down quickly. NASDAQ sitting right here at this pivot. Savage is still short from 19,400. Love to see it. Love to see it. Is Victoria trading the micros or the minis? She's trading the minis. She says the micros are too slow. That's what she said. She said the micros are too slow. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Never a good sign when they say the micros are too slow. Never good. It is never a good sign. Yeah, I don't like to trade the micros because they're too slow. Now we're blue again. This man, these fucking lights and stuff. What is going on in here? A little better.
I don't know why it's still like pink looking. I'm still looking pink. I miss my my camera set up at home. My lighting at home. It's mint. It's perfect. It's pretty. It's beautiful. Bring her on the show one day, maybe. Once she gets to her first payout, she'll come on the show. Drew Miller said, "What is your daily bias? I need a retail perspective to fade." Oh, wow. Drew's aggressive in the chat. Drew, you're so aggressive. Why are you so aggressive, Drew? Drew's going to fade the retail. All right, I'm going to see what happens here, but I think it might be time to walk away. We got a lot of news, a lot of stuff coming out this week, a lot of action in the markets, so there is no rush to do anything too crazy, you know. Just trade the best setups, wait for the right opportunities, and trade. Mike Up Attack is long, 10 contracts at the 47s, I believe. He's already down 5,000 on the day. Might be a good fade here. It might be a good fade. I don't know. From 52s. Long from the 52s here. 10 contracts. All in, baby. Nice little pushback up here, chopping around. Hey, Patrick, are you trading during the stream? No, I mostly just kind of hang out and look at the charts mostly. Mostly is my main focus mostly. Oh, Lord. This is why I'm not trading this shit. Look at that. It just chopping around like crazy right here. Micros are too slow. We should have faded MP. I knew it. I fucking knew it. God damn it. Now he's down like 7,000 on the day. Oh, Lord. You can't lose.
It's really cool. They're doing more than just the one in Las Vegas. No, they need more because they can't jam them in fast enough to the Las Vegas one. They're creating. Someone was trying to create bars like that where.
NASDAQ holding on here at the 50 level for now. Just chopping sideways here. Just kind of holding up here at the bottom of the range right now. This thing could just start plummeting. I'm not sure if I'd want to be long right here. If it breaks through that 40 area strong, I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Mike Up Attack is now down 10,000 on the day. Up 15,000 on the day. Fuck yeah, bro. Let it go. Let it ride. He's long from the 52s and just letting it ride. Fucking quality. That's good. That's fucking good. Quality. Quality trading, baby. Imagine literally sitting on Top Step TV and pretending that you're this amazing day trader that used to trade in the pits and all this stuff, and then you're down 15,000 live on YouTube. I would That would be a very, like I said, you know, like I don't know, man. If I was like that successful in the pits and I was such a good day trader, like, you know, but I might not want to sit on YouTube all day and pretend to be a day trader because that's just bad. Now he's averaging down. Now he has 15 contracts long from the 47s. You're literally watching bad trading in real time over there. Averaging down, like, come on. We don't average down, people. Add into momentum, add into strength, but don't try to buy the dip when we're sitting at the fucking lows. That's a real bad idea. Even if it comes back up, it's like you can't even trade. Like, who trades an account where you can hold a $15,000 drawdown, you know? When your biggest profit is like $2,000 to $3,000 on the day. If this 320 area breaks, I mean, now you're just, oh, it's terrible. That's like, you might as well just go to Vegas and bet on black or red at that point, because that is not good. Inverse cup and handle, kind of looking like that. He's still long from the 47. So right now he's down 47 points on 15 contracts. The fuck? Down 15,000 on the day they are. Almost 16,000 on the day. I don't know what to say at this point. And it's not even that I'm trying to be a hater. It's just that, I mean, that's really bad. Patrick, are you short? I am not short. I'm not trading this crap. I know it's Monday. I know it's no news Monday, so why fuck with it? This is the best. Now that they got stopped out, guess what's going to happen? You know what's going to happen now. It's going to start ripping back up. No fucking way. If it does, it'll... Oh my God, no way. No way. No fucking way, people. No way. No fucking way if this happens right now. Oh. All right, he's all in again. 20 contracts long right here. Again, at the 20s. Oh, Lord. 18 long, 20 contracts. Oh, man. Trading is fun. Don't you guys love trading? It's so much fun. Why would anybody... If I was already a millionaire, I would not be a trader on the internet. That's for sure. You know, if I owned a prop firm, you know what I would not be doing? I would not be fucking trading. There's no way in hell. I would just be sitting on the beach drinking pina coladas all day. Somebody in the chat said, should we short right now? I don't think so. This is just chopping. Just chopping around here. Let it be. You know? Let it be, let it be. What do I think about a trading bot? Might not be a bad idea. Look at my hair right now, looking crazy. Looking crazy, my hair. Where is the Lambo? And also, does owning a Lambo make sense financially? Well, if you make $500,000 a month, then owning a Lambo makes sense financially. If you don't make $500,000 a month, then maybe owning a Lambo isn't the best option for you. So, just putting that out there. All right, NASDAQ ripping back up here. Even a broken clock can be right once a day or twice a day. If you only make $499,000, no Lambo. Don't do it. Don't do it. NASDAQ back up here, 340s again. Staying alive down there at the bottom for now on the NASDAQ. Will you trade Wednesday? Probably. Right now, ICT's long one contract over there, showing off how good he is live with one contract right now. Whenever he's not live, trading on You know, trading pre-recorded, he trades like 30 or 40 contracts, but when he's live on YouTube, he only trades one contract. You gotta love it. NASDAQ up here once again to that 360 level. Ripping here. Off of that pivot point down there, 322s. This is going to be like a total reversal back up 440s. The total reversal. NASDAQ breaking through this resistance. Ding, 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 ding. So how high can they go? That 387 area where we broke down earlier. And then the Vwap up there. 418s on the Vwap now. Trying to push through that last wick there, up there into the 80s, looks like. The ES back up there, 620s for now. That 619 is a key level for the ES, by the way. 620, 619 for the ES to stay above now. William is going to go ride his Harley. Let's go, William. Get on that Harley, big boy. I imagine William being a biker dude sitting there on his computer right now. Go, God damn it, this fucking market. I'm going to go ride my Harley right now. Go ride my Harley. There's that breakout through the 80s now. I think Vwap up there next, 417, 418 area. Had that little friggin' quadruple 5 bottom down there. Patrick, are you winning? No, I'm losing. Only losing around here, people. There is no winning allowed. We don't like to win. Only lose. Nice little reversal straight up here now. 390, 400 coming up there. What do you do what do you lose if you win? Oh, good question. Good question. Do you only trade the NASDAQ? I only trade the NASDAQ, but I'm always keeping an eye on the ES as well. I never really trade the Dow. Are you in a position right now? No position right now. I might go back to sleep. It's 5:20 here in Hawaii right now, so if you guys have already hit that like button, subscribe button, help me help you. It's free to like, free to subscribe. I don't ask for much, you know. I'm just out here trying to have a good time. If you guys have already hit that like button, you know what to do. When do you plan to roll over to the December contracts? Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow we'll roll over to probably the new contracts. Sneaky Texas. I am not long. I have no trades open right now. It is almost 11:30 here. Have you been surfing since you've been out there? Oh, yeah. I've been doing some surfing, fishing, living, dreaming, all the good stuff.
Do you think you're going to go back to the ES again and avoid the whips of the NASDAQ now that you're actually trying to make money? Probably not. I like the pain, you know. I like to feel the pain of the NASDAQ. It's nice. We'll come back and we'll do a power hour. How about that? We'll do a power hour today. And we'll do a live stream later on this afternoon. 3 p.m. power hour, baby. 3 p.m. power hour. I'll see you guys there. If you haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Right now, the NASDAQ trying to push back up here. We got that VWAP, 416s. Watch that VWAP area. Watch this pivot point. If we get through this, you got another pivot point to the upside, 19,500 up there to the upside there. So I kind of like it. You know, if we start to get moving here, we need the ES and NASDAQ to get back above the VWAP there, and then we should be clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, they said. I'll see you all later on. Power hour. Peace to the Middle East.